People love to send the first page of bank statements or tax returns or judgments. It's a waste of time. Don't even send it if you're not going to send it all. It's not helpful. Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day to talk about a new home loan checklist. And in today's video, as always, I'm going to share all the scoop with you so that you have a nice clean checklist to follow for your new home loan and you get into that house of your dreams. Welcome to your one-stop shop for anything and everything mortgage education. My name is Stephanie Weeks, and I have helped thousands and thousands of customers with their mortgage financing. I've been a loan officer for 17 years, recognized in the top 1% of loan officers in production for the past several years in a row by Mortgage Executive Magazine. I also have been recognized by the Scotsman Guide of Top Originators. I drop new videos every Tuesday and every Saturday. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to be notified, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. I'm going to break this down for you today in just a few simple steps. That way you have an easy process to follow to put together a great loan package to set yourself up for success with not only a good pre-approval, but a great mortgage transaction. What's the goal? A smooth and on-time closing. All right, we're diving in. New home loan checklist. These are the documents that you're going to need to have prepared and organized in order to have a smooth on-time closing and a very easy pre-approval process. Trust me, your loan officer will love you like crazy if you've got all this stuff together. The first thing we're going to talk about is borrower information. Make sure that you have your driver's license or your permanent resident alien card if that applies. Make sure that if it's expired on the front and you've got a sticker on the back that you also copy that, please. Don't take pictures, don't take snapshots, actually scan it in and provide a document to the lender. The second thing we're going to talk about is income. I'm going to give you the long list because the list is not always this long. It is case by case, loan by loan, borrower by borrower. For your income, please provide the most recent 2 years tax returns, all pages, all schedules. If you're self-employed, please make sure that if you own more than 25% of any company, you're also providing the most recent 2 years business tax returns, all pages, you got it, and all schedules. Provide any and all K-1s. If you don't know what that is, it probably doesn't apply to you, so don't stress about it. Provide any and all W-2s for the most recent 2 years for those K-1s and W-2s. If you had more than one W-2 in that taxable year, provide them all. Please do not leave any off. We're going to audit things, make sure things match up to the tax return. We're going to pull transcripts, all kind of fun stuff. Make sure that you provide your most recent 4, not 1, how many? 4 paycheck stubs. Make sure that they are, again, most recent, and consecutive order would be amazing. Don't give check stubs from this week and then a month ago and then 2 weeks ago. Let's do this very organized. You are going to appreciate it. Your lender is going to appreciate it because you're going to have a better transaction. Again, we've got tax returns, W-2s, K-1s, and if you have other sources of income such as child support, maybe you have alimony, maybe you receive Social Security, maybe you receive disability. Some of those things would be including but not limited to the fully executed judgment from the court, proof of 12 months receipt of that alimony or child support, proof of 12 months receipt. For Social Security or disability, you get an award letter every year. You probably also get a 1099 as well. And you can also provide the most recent 2 months bank statements, which actually show those deposits. Again, you might not need all of this, but I want to share all of it with you. Better to be over-prepared than under-prepared, right? We've talked about borrower, we've talked about income, now we're going to talk about assets. Please provide your most recent 2 months bank statements, all pages, all pages. If it says 5 pages, doesn't matter if one is blank. We have to look at 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, 5 of 5. Any and all checking and savings accounts, IRAs, 401ks, all of these things help you. Stocks, bonds, CDs, they all help for a better approval. Again, you might not need all of this, but better to be over-prepared. If you receive IRA or 401k statements and those are quarterly, just provide the one most recent. That is going to cover at least the 60 days that the 2 months bank statements would cover in that example if the statements are every 30 days. Don't forget every single page. It is hugely important, hugely important. The next item or next section has to do with credit. If you have had any bankruptcies, judgments, or foreclosures, provide all of that documentation, executed documentation with all the pages. People love to send the first page of bank statements or tax returns or judgments. It's a waste of time. Don't even send it if you're not going to send it all. It's not helpful. We have to see literally everything. Another great checklist, another great item for this checklist of the credit section would be, let's say that you know that 12 months ago you had a few late payments. And there was a reason for that because there was some type of life event or something happened. It's fine, life happens. We are human, we make mistakes. If you know that existed, you know it was isolated, you have an explanation, and even better than that, you have a paper trail, put that together like a pretty little package with an explanation. Hey, 18 months ago this happened. I was late on these different accounts. This is why it happened. This is proof of what happened if you have that. This is what I'm going to do in the future to make sure it doesn't happen again. And as you can see, I've been on time for 18 months. Whatever that is, maybe it's 18 months or 2 months or 4 months. We're usually looking at the last 24 months, unless it comes to bankruptcies, judgments, and foreclosures. It may be looked at for the last 7 years. If you did have a bankruptcy, judgment, or foreclosure, in addition to that paperwork, make sure you do the same thing. Hey, this happened to me. This is why it happened to me. This is how long I've been back on track, if you will. And this is what I've done to make sure that this does not happen to me again in the future. As always, I have a checklist or a download for you, so please be sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. How about in the comments below you do me a huge favor and maybe just put a little check mark. Put a check there and let me know that you feel good about this checklist and you feel more prepared for your home loan. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, why not? Go ahead and do it. What's it gonna hurt? Seriously though, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified. Please do share these videos and the channel with your friends and family to help me spread my mission of mortgage peace. And since you're here with me today and you're visiting anyway, stay a little longer. Check out some of these other videos. I'll drop some links up here.